Yes, the virgin girl was short-quick to make out with Dan, and that just didn't seem right to me.
How you feeling?
I feel very nice. What was your question again?
Favorite quality in a girl?
Physical or?
Wow, could you not puke on me? Because this is a new shirt. And I'd rather not. Oh my God, what did you eat? Holy.
I'm very surprised at Terry's belching. It's definitely not the cutest trait she has, but she is still fun to look at.
If you're gonna belch, then things are gonna happen out of other orifices that nobody wants to hear or see or smell, that's for sure. Someone have gum? Do you have gum? Do you have any gum? Mints of kinds? This girl's got hog breath and she's burping. Yeah. Do you have a mint?
Over there.
Oh, we got a mint over here. Thank you, sir. Could you do me a favor and please suck on that?
Only if you put it in between your legs where it needs to be.
Sister friend is drunk, slurring, and crass. If you want
It definitely needs to be between your legs. Thank you very much. Thank you, ma'am.
Sorry. The whole breath check who's burping doesn't want the mint. Just take it back. It's cool. Thank you.
I think that in the right situation, Terry and Meg would have a nice little cat fight going on with some nice hair pulling, maybe a little eye gouging. It's something I'd like to see in a mud wrestling ring, quite honestly.
ElimiDATE.